This is Mercury inline 6-cylinder tower horsepower. I'm gonna change the timing belt today, so I'm gonna do a quick look. I'm gonna remove this part right here, and then I'm gonna remove the flywheel in the top. I already removed this part. Now I'm gonna remove the flywheel. To remove the nut here, I use this. It has to be impact. It's the better way to take it out fast. And now I'm going to use the puller. I'm going to put it right here to take the flywheel out. This is very important. And right now, I'm going to show you the time right now. I have to remove this part right here, and I make the mark for the time. And then this is the time right here for this part. I remove this part right here. It's very important to take it out, because if you don't take it out and then you force, you're gonna break the belt, and you have to remove it. This is how it look, the part, with this tiny wrench to remove it. So I'm gonna now take out the flywheel. I'm gonna stop the video for a little bit. The flywheel is out. So now I'm going to remove the stator right here, these 4 nuts. I'm going to take it out to remove the belt. This is the little belt right here. This is the number one you're going to buy. I buy this one on Amazon. It's $21.40. This one it is. So it's right there. I'm going to put it on right now. I'm going to put, now I put it on, so now I'm going to put the stator back in place. I'm going to put the 4 nuts right there, the screw, sorry. And very important to use this lock it to make a good lock in there. It doesn't come out with the vibration when the engine is running. So now the stator is back in place, and now I'm going to do the flywheel back in place again. This part you have to take it, make it easy, very easy, because you can break the belt inside. So I'm going to do that step now, but I have to stop the video because I have to use both hands to put it in place. I'll show you soon again. So now you have 3 lines right here, 1, 2, 3. So you're going to put it right here, number 3, to put it on the time right there, and you're going to follow this right here. And right here, this little point right here, you have to look to with these other points, so you'll be sure it's in times. So now the bird is on. Now I'm going to put this little part again in place right here. This is a little tricky to put it right here, but it's the only way with this little key right here. This one is, I think it's 8, the number, so I'm going to put it back in place so you can take your time doing that. I put a little, in this ball right here, put a little lock teeth again, this one, so to lock in place this part. It's already in, so the belt is in place right now. So now I'm going to put this big part back again in place. I'm going to tie right here this knot right now. So now I put these 4 nuts right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This part of the motor. And now I'm going to put this one right here. It's 1 and 2, and then I'm going to put this one right here, the nuts of these 3. Continue with the video this one is tied, and this one is tied right here, and this one is tied right here, and this little line what I make right there, you have to look with this other line for the time. And then if you look right here, it's looking boss point right there. Let me see if I can show you. You see that two little points, the bottom and the top, you need to look facing each other. So you know it's in a good time to start the engine. This is how the engine look after I put everything back in place. So looks beautiful. And remember, my friend, this is the timing belt, the number. You can find this one in Amazon, Quicksilver. This is for inline power of tower, 6-cylinder. This is the engine. This one is 150 horsepower, but I removed the label because I already painted and I had to put it back, but the engine is running good. See you in a new video. When I start the engine, I'm gonna make another video because I put the lock it, so I cannot start it on right now. We have to wait 1 hour to dry the stator area. Thank you.